Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost, fast and free shipping, and see what other goodies they have to offer. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Let's get through this week, guys. It's a brand new week. And there we go. Now, what do we have here? Elegear. Cooling pillowcase. Nice. Size queen. Try these on in a second. Alright. Get the tag out. Oops. There we go. We got this one. That's what it looks like. And the inside is, how do you open? Open. Where do you open from? How do you do that there? Interesting. Usually, they just pop open. They just say, here I am, but I can't find anything that shows that. How do you do this? Hold on one sec. Oh, look at what we got here. A little zipper. It's gotta go bam, and stuff your pillow in the middle. That's what the inside looks like. There you go. We got two of them. Yeah, buddy, we got two. So we're gonna hop in the room and I'll be back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. We have here the Elegear cooling pillows. Right there. Or the cases. Some really nice pillowcase right here. Two-sided color, I think. Different designs. Really nice. Really comfortable. So check them out, guys. Link will be down below. And you get two in one pack. So you might want to buy a couple in case you got more than two pillows. I got three, so I think I need more pillows next. So who knows? But definitely check them out. See what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you need to know what kind of bed this is an 8 sleep smart bed. Link will be down below also. If you guys need a new bed, this is the best bed in the world. It tells the heart rates, and you can set the heat and temperature of your bed. So this will be a nice touch with the cooling pillowcases from Elegear. So check them out, YouTubers. Alright, you guys be safe. See? Still got it right there. And you guys have a good one. See ya.